Hello guys, this is Nessie here, and today I'm going to talk about three methods that will help you to make money on Clickbank, okay? 3 ways that I'm using to generate income on YouTube, and I will show you my payments proof, my results in my Clickbank account. Okay, I'm Nessie, and my YouTube channel is about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, Bitcoin, Clickbank, and a lot of stuff. Okay, a lot of stuff that can help you to generate income and to build a sustainable business online. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and hit and smash the little bell icon right next to him. Okay, guys. So first of all the information and the links will be under this video in the description below. So just watch this video until the end. I will show you the 3 methods that I'm using to generate income from YouTube and to make sales. Okay, guys. So the first method that I'm using is using the. First of all, let me show you. Let me log into my Clickbank account to show you my payments proof. Okay, I click on sign in, and you can see, guys, you can see my results. I reveal my results with you. Okay, so this week I made 76.81 cents, and the week before $31 and 69 cents. You can see that was yesterday. I made a nice sale of 76.81 cents. And on May the 1st, I made 31. On May the 1st, I made $31.69. And on the week of April 14th, I made another sales of $15.33. Okay, now I'm using 3 methods, 3 ways to generate income from Clickbank. So as you saw in my previous videos, I'm using the traffic exchange, traffic ad bar, which in my opinion is one of the best traffic exchanges out there. Okay, now as you can see, I'm a pro member, and I really recommend you to upgrade to pro if you can upgrade to platinum, because you get the full power of traffic ad bar. But if you want to do this for free, okay, if you want to use traffic ad bar as a free method, you can put 5, guys. You can put 5 links in the traffic exchange for free. All you after you set up, when you create an account, I will give you all the links. I will put all the links under this video, so don't worry. You can just watch this video until the end, and you will find all the information, all the links, and everything under this video. So if I go to, I don't want to get into too much into traffic ad bar, because I don't want to make this video too long. So, but generally you go to website. Okay, under websites over here, under websites, you can set up 5 links of Clickbank products for free. After you add those links, those products, the only thing that is left for you to do is to go to this button right here on the left, and you click here to points now. So literally you manually need to serve other people ads in order that people will see your products. Okay, so this is something very, very important to understand. You need to serve ads in order that other people will see your advertising will see your Clickbank products. Okay, so the more you surf, you have better chances to make more sales. Now the Pro edition gives you a lot of benefits. Like, I don't want to get into it too deeply, but let me show you something. The so As a free member, you can you can put 5 links, number of URLs listed. Okay. As a pro member, you can put 10 links of Clickbank products in the traffic exchange. Now, as a pro member, you can put 5 banners of Clickbank products. As a free member, you are not allowed to use banners. As a pro light member, you are not allowed uh, to use banners. So in the Pro edition, you can, of course, you can put 5 banners in the on the platform. So, and there are a lot of advantages. I don't want to get into it too deep because I made videos about traffic adbar, but this is one of the best. I'm using this platform for a few years now, and I made a lot of sales, a lot of Clickbank sales using this platform. So really, really important. And as I said, you can do it as a free member, but I recommend you to upgrade to at least Pro to get to get all the benefits and power from this platform. And I can tell you that at least 50% of the people who are surfing in traffic adbar are from United States, and a lot of people from the UK. So it's a good quality leads. You can get here a lot of quality leads because there are a lot of people from tier 1 countries using traffic adbar. So you have a really good audience and a really good chance to sell products, Clickbank products and other digital products using this method, using this platform. Okay, I will leave the link of traffic adbar under this video. You can join the link. And the second, guys, the second method. Okay, guys, the second method that I'm using is AWeber. AWeber is amazing platform, and you can try it. I mean, if you have a big list, if you have, as many people say, the money is in the list. If you have a big email list, you can make a lot of money from Clickbank. And one of the reasons I recommend you now to join AWeber, because you have 2 issues. You can try it free for 30 days. Okay, you can use AWeber 3 for 30 days, so you have nothing to lose and only to gain from it. Now, if you work smart and fast, you can take those 30 days and you can build a list before you even pay the $19. Okay, the $19, okay, is ridiculous. I mean, if you make one sale on Clickbank, you can cover your monthly fee. And if you build a big list, the top promoters on Clickbank, they have thousands and tens of thousands of people in their list. So you can make hundreds of dollars per day from Clickbank if you build a big list. So you can try it free, guys. And this is really the best way to make money from Clickbank using AWeber. Now, a good part about AWeber is, like, 1 month ago they had forms. You could use those forms to add people, to build your list with those forms. Okay, but now if you go to new features, and this is the reason why you should join now. If you go to new features, you can see, guys, that they implemented, like, 1 month ago, even 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago, they implemented the landing pages builder. So now you can make amazing landing pages or squeeze pages, whatever you want to call it, and you can grab those, you can collect those leads, and you can convert those leads to big email lists, because now you have build landing pages in minutes. You can build your landing pages in minutes, and you can host all of them. You can host all of those landing pages for free. I mean, you pay $19 per month. So if you go for the quarter membership or annually membership, so you can save a lot of money on your membership. But even if you pay $19, if you go by the month and you pay $19, you can literally put tons of landing pages, build them, and and build a massive email list with those landing pages. You can build them in minutes, and you don't need to do you don't need to do coding, and you don't have to be you don't need to have the skills of a designer, because you just you have a drag and you just use their templates. They have a very nice templates, and you just drag and drop and play with them, and you can literally build amazing landing pages in minutes. And this is the new this is very, very powerful feature that they added to AWeber. And if I'm going back to traffic ad bar, so instead, if you don't want to put in traffic ad bar, if you don't want to put the regular links of Clickbank products, you can put your landing pages. Okay, you can put your landing pages instead of the Clickbanks. If you are smart, you use the landing pages in traffic ad bar, and you collect those, and you collect email addresses, you collect leads, and you build a massive email list, and you can and you can literally sell anything you want on earth. You can sell those with those landing pages. Okay, so this is the second way that I'm using. This is the second way that I'm using. This is the second way that I'm using to sell Clickbank products. Now, the last way, the last method that I'm using, that I'm doing to sell Clickbank products is a product review. Product reviews using YouTube. Okay, YouTube is a very powerful way to brand yourself and to sell Clickbank products. Now you have two options. You can buy a good products. There are pretty nice amount of good products on YouTube, on Clickbank. You choose the right product. You make a small research, and you find the right product that can suits you. Okay, and then you have two options. You can buy the product, or you can do, if you do a full research, you can sell the product even without buying the product. But on the other end, if you want, I think, in my opinion, if you want to get more results, you can buy, there are products on Clickbank that you can purchase with $20, $30, and you can you can use the product, you can learn the product, and then you can use it. You can apply everything that you learn in this course or in this product, and you can make sales of it. Once you know how to use the Clickbank product, you can make sales. And after you make sales, you can make a review on your YouTube channel. You can review it on your YouTube channel, and you can also sell the product itself. So not only you can make money using the product, you can review the product. You can make a review about this product and make much more sales. So I hope it makes sense to you. Okay, so really powerful. So YouTube product reviews on YouTube is a very good way to make Clickbank sales. Now you have two options. When you make a review about particular product on Clickbank, you can either put your referral link under the video in the descriptions for that specific product, or if you work smart, you can put your landing pages that you have already created on AWeber. You can put them under the video, under the YouTube video, instead of just putting the referral link, and you can collect a decent amount of leads. And by doing that, you can increase your email list dramatically. So, you can play with this. You can put your referral link, your Clickbank product referral link, or you can put your landing pages, or you can put both of them. So under the review. So in this case, you can make a lot of sales. I made quite a nice amount of sales just coming from my YouTube videos. Okay, guys. So if you have any questions, about this, about these 3 ways to make money on YouTube, just comment below this video. I hope you like this video. And if you want, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you will find all the links about the 3 ways that I reviewed right now. And also you can find my recommended course, my recommended product that you can use to make your first Clickbank commission, even more than one commission, even in less than 24 hours. So I'll put the product also that I'm using under this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.